Hi guys, in honor of Filipino American History Month, I am making pork guisantes.
Please subscribe and click on the bell.
Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, as it will help my video distribute throughout YouTube. Heat up oil and saute your bell peppers for about a minute. Set that aside and add your onions and garlic. Once onions are softened, set that aside. Add your pork to the same pot and let it sit until it browns. Give it a mix. Once browned all the way through, add your onions, tomato sauce, water, bay leaf, fish sauce, soy sauce, and season with salt and pepper. Bring this to a boil and reduce to simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add your bell peppers and peas, and now you're ready to eat. Enjoy! Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.